In this video, I'll show you how to set up 2FA on GitHub. Two-factor authentication, also called 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your GitHub account. Instead of signing in with only your password, GitHub will also ask for a second verification step, such as a code from an authenticator app, a text message, or a security key. First, open GitHub in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, click your profile picture in the top right corner of the page, then select Settings from the menu. Inside Settings, look at the left side menu and click Password and Authentication. This is where GitHub lets you manage your password, login sessions, and two-factor authentication settings. Next, find the section for two-factor authentication and click Enable two-factor authentication. GitHub may ask you to confirm your password before continuing. Now choose the method you want to use. The most common option is an authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, Authy, or another app that supports verification codes. Open the Authenticator app on your phone, tap the option to add a new account, and scan the QR code shown on GitHub. After scanning, the app will start showing a 6-digit code for your GitHub account. Enter the current code from your Authenticator app into GitHub, then continue. Make sure you type the latest code, because these codes refresh every few seconds. After GitHub accepts the code, it will show recovery codes. Download, copy, or print these codes and keep them somewhere safe. Recovery codes are very important because they can help you get back into your account if you lose your phone or cannot access your authentication app. You may also add a backup method such as SMS, a security key, or GitHub Mobile, depending on the options available in your account. Once everything is saved, your GitHub account will be protected with two-factor authentication. The next time you sign in, you will need your password and your second verification method. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.